Hi, my name is Jeremiah Josie. I'm 18 years old and I live in Maryland. One unique thing about me is that I have autism, but I won't let that stop me from being a famous pastry chef. Today I will be making a cheesecake. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients. You will need 2 packs of cream cheese, 6 large eggs, 1 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 16-ounce cup of ricotta cheese, 1 16-ounce cup of sour cream, a half cup of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 zest of lemon, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. The first step to making this recipe is make sure everything is at room temperature. So go over to my large bowl, which is the KitchenAid. 2 packs of cream cheese. So now add the 6 large eggs to the bowl and keep stirring. Add 1 1/3 cups of sugar. So I take the sugar and add. And continue stirring. 1 16-ounce cup of ricotta cheese. I add the sour cream. After that, we add the melted butter. 3 tablespoons of flour. All the flour. And then add 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. One zest of lemon. Oops. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Make sure the ingredients are thoroughly mixed and incorporated, and scrape out the sides of the bowl. So make sure the sides are scraped into the mixture. Butter and flour in the pan so the cheesecake doesn't stick. We put the butter and flour in both our pans. What we do is we take the mixing bowl and we pour the mixture into our pan. So now that we've poured our mixture into both cheesecake pans, now what we do is we take our pans over to the stove and we do a water bath. Then we put our cheesecakes in the oven. Now what you do, like I said, is you pour your water to create a water bath. So now that our cheesecakes are in a water bath, you let them sit in the oven. Now that the cheesecakes are baking for 350 degrees, and it's in the oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes, now all we have to do is let the cheesecakes cook, let them sit and cool once they're taken out, and keep refrigerated overnight.